First we got your boy Search Out, you know what I'm saying? And this motherfucker finna goddamn buzz. You know what I'm saying? You got your boy T that, you know what I'm saying? Finna go ahead buzz, you know. Put the camera right there. Do it. Do it. I wasn't at first. I got closer than you, nigga. Hell yeah. You about to do it? Huh? You out? Yeah. I love it. I do. That shit hurt, Lord. God damn.
Look at this. Look at this nigga Justin. None shooting her. Okay, well done, sir. We're gonna put you back out there so you can go back at it. And this your boy Search Out. I'm finna show y'all niggas, man. This shit is not a game, man. I'll fuck one of you niggas up, man. Real quick. You see that? See that shit, man? I ain't hit target, but I'm down there close. You hear me? Straight real nigga shit, bro. Gun range, man. We having a little fun, man. Just,
you know what I'm saying?